Hello, class. We have started the HTML stuff, and now we are moving to CSS gradually with the introduction of the first type of CSS, which is internal CSS. Internal CSS puts the code or the coloring or the styling inside the front of the tags. So I've opened a folder called CSS and I put internal HTML, that is for the internal CSS. So I start my building block, right? Press enter and I want to put this, I want to change my documents here to internal CSS. Okay. So I want to start doing some things and then just make some coloring there. So I say H1, then press enter, and I put Anchor University, Anchor University, Lagos. Okay, and then I want to put style here. Internal style says I can put it in the middle. Style. Okay, I want to center this, and I said uh, text align, text align, text align to where? To center. All right. So text align to center. Okay. So that is the internal stuff. So I'm putting this in the middle. So if I run my stuff now and I say, give me, sorry, I want to get my run server. I want to get the run server there. So we are talking about, so I want to go live. So if I go live here, okay. So let me now snap it to one side so that I can see my go live, and I snap my stuff to one side also. I snap it to one side. So it's in the middle. If I remove the style there and then I cut it off and then it goes to the side. So that is how it works. So, okay, sorry. Uh, I put my style there. Now I'm able to place it in the middle. All right. Okay. So where are the other locations I can put it? Okay. Text align. Text align to the right. You can say right. All right. Okay. I can put it at the right. I can put it at the left. I can put it at other locations. Okay. So, but now I want to put it at the center. Okay. So I want to put it at the center. All right, so that is it. Now, I want to create another, I want to create a table and align my table also. But that is text aligned, okay? So I want to put my table and then put some TR and put some TD, okay? I said Bowen, Bowen, all right? Put another TD. I say, okay, TD. I say backup. Okay, so it's showing that. But I say style. What kind of style do I want to put? Okay, let's try some positioning and some padding. Some padding. What does the padding say? He said it can give us some space either to the left if right is omitted, and then it says if left is omitted, it is aligned as right, and if okay. So I want to put some padding because it's hidden inside the wall there. So let me put some padding. I can put margin. Okay, I'm not talking of height and width now because I'm talking of positioning, and this is not this positioning, but border margin, I can say my margin auto. Okay, but this time around I don't want to use auto. I want to use a percentage of it, and say 50% for the table. Okay, the 50% is now bringing it here, and then beside that, I want to put a border. It shouldn't join border. Border equals what? Uh, no, should it be inside? Border equals 3. Okay, okay. So I placed border margin, and then the margin 50%, or let me say just say 10. Okay. All right. So it's both because I omitted the right or the left. Okay, let me just add some other statements here. Okay. And then what else? Now, it depends on where you put this stuff before code that yes will affect. So let's say style again. See how I'm repeating it. And I say color. Color is text color, and background color. That one is quite understandable. I put color here. And I say blue, and it's affecting everything there. Now, better still, I can color each box and say style color. I want to color each one of them. Say UK violet. All right. You see what happened? This last one overrides the previous one. Okay. So I do the same thing here. Style color, and this color is the brown. Okay. So you see, so what we are saying is the location of what you are styling overrides. The same thing, this inline always, so usually overrides the other stuff that is there. Okay, so let's put style background color, and we say basic. All right, so that's major thing that we can have, and then we can say background color, background color. Sorry, I always put it together, thinking it's the other one. Background, style, inside style. That one covers that, and this other one should cover this. Sorry, this one shouldn't be equals. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay, so let's say this is much we can have about this, so that we can move forward. So you will see all those stuffs by the time you want to put anything there, and then Visual Studio Code will show you much more, much more, much more, much more, much more. So you can put margin, and then when you put something, you can align it, and then all right. So we move from here. We go to the internal. Sorry, this one is in. This one is supposed to be inline. This one's supposed to be inline and not internal. Inline, inline. So we want to move to internal. So this one is inline. That is in that line. Okay. Then we want to move to internal. Internal is outside. So I close this video. So from this one, they go to inline.